In this video, we will learn about sets and their operations in Python. So let's start with the initialization of a set in Python. How we define a set in Python. We define a set in Python using curly braces. 1, 2, 3. Let's print the values in set 1. And there is another way to initialize a set, that is using set method here. Now the value of set1 will be an empty set. What if we want to initialize a set with some elements? We will pass a list to the set method here. The elements in set1 are 1, 2, 3, 4. That is how you initialize a set in Python. Now let's look at some operations that are present in the Python's sets. Let's initialize another set, set2, and elements of set2 are 5, 6, 7 and 4. Let's add 4 later. We have set1, we have set2 here. Let's check the values. Set1 has elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Set2 has elements 5, 6, 7. What we want to do is we want to find the common elements between set1 and set2. As you can see on the screen, the elements in set1 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and in set2 are 5, 6, 7. There are no common elements between set1 and set2. We should get an empty set after performing the intersection. Intersection here refers to the AND operation, and intersection means the common elements between sets. Let's print the instead of printing, store the result of the intersection operation in a variable set1 and set2. Print set3. We should get an empty set here, and here refers to the intersection operation. We could have also used intersection method here, but I find using mathematical operations more convenient. It is empty. Now before performing the intersection operation, let's add a common element here. Let's add 4 to set2. Initially elements in set1 were 1, 2, 3, 4 and in set2 were 5, 6, 7. Then we have added element 4 to the set2, and after adding this element 4 to set2, we have performed the intersection operation and the common element is 4. What if we want to unionize these two sets? That is, we want to merge sets 1 and set2 to a separate set, and we want to perform union operation on set1 and set2 and store the unionized set in a separate variable. What we will do is set4 is equal to set underscore 1 or set underscore 2. Here pipe or binary OR operation refers to the union operation. Let's print set4. We will have elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. As you can see, the elements in set4 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As set only saves the unique elements, therefore the element 4 is not present in the set twice. Even if we add set underscore 4, even if we add a duplicate element, let's suppose 2, set will have only a single element at a time. As you can see, even after adding 2 twice to the set 4, we only have the element 2 once in the set 4. We have seen the OR operation, that is the union operation. And again, you could do you can use this union operation here as well. See, the result is same. Either you can use mathematical operations or named methods, it is up to you. But I find mathematical operations more convenient. Okay, we have looked at intersection, union. Let's look at the difference operation. That is, what if we want to eliminate the common elements between set 1 and set 2 and only want to get the elements unique to a set. As you can see, set 1 has elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and set 2 has elements 4, 5, 6, 7. What if we want to find the unique elements to set 1? We will use the difference operation here. Let's store the result in the variable set 5. That is set 1 minus set 2. Let's print the result. Unique set underscore 1 elements, and let's see if this works. Set score 5. Okay, we don't even need this here. Actually, it was like this, right? Check. Now looks like I am doing something wrong, but we don't care about it. Unique set 1 elements 1, 2, 3. As you can see earlier, the unique elements were the entire elements were 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the unique elements in the set 5 are 1, 2, 3. As 4 was a common element between set 1 and set 2, 4 was eliminated in the difference operation. We could have also used the named method here, difference. See, the result is same. What if we want to check whether an element is present in the set or not? Okay, how do we do that? We use that using in keyword here. What if we want to check if 1 is present in the set 1 or not? Let's run it. We have to print the result. It is true. Is 5 in set 1? We should get false here. So this is how you initialize and declare sets in Python. These are the operations commonly performed on sets. If you want to do complex operations on your set, you have to write custom implementations. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching.